So I just had a package come in, and it is some things I ordered from MYTEE Products, and I'm going to show you what they are.
Twin Rivers Half Shot.
For anybody that doesn't know me, my name is Brad. I have a transport company called Twin Rivers Transport, and we transport equipment, general freight, vehicles all over the country. I bought a trailer a couple of months back, and I'm still outfitting my trailer. I ordered some of these 4-inch ratchets, and the reason why I ordered these is because I've had several trailers with them on there, and I love these things. They make my job easier. So these ones that I ordered, and I'll put the product description on it, but the ones that I ordered are good for a 30-foot 4-inch strap. I put 8 of these on my trailer already. MYTEE Products sent me 4 more. On my trailer, I have the sliding 4-inch ratchets. These are for the C-channel ratchets, and I'll kind of show you a picture. I know they have a couple different kinds. They have the C-channel, they have the double L, and these have a working load limit of 5,500 pounds. These are very, very good, very, very effective. I love them. So I ordered some more for this new trailer because I don't know if the trailer that I had that they took them off or what. I'll show you how easy they are to install on my trailer, and I'll actually show you some pictures of these in use. They're convenient, they're fast, they're on my trailer, so the only thing that I have to do is flip this little lever right here, pull out some slack, throw it across my trailer and tighten it up, and when I'm done, just that in reverse. I'll loosen it, roll them up, and they stay right there on my trailer. The name of the game doing this is to be efficient, fast, and most of all safe, right? I am here at my trailer. When I bought this trailer, it did not have them. My trailer's so low that I hope these work, because what happens is you'll go down and you'll hit with the bar on the ground. These are a lot more effective, I think, than these 2-inch straps. I did get 9 of these. So here's the product being used right here. Pretty easy to use. I'll show you how simple these are to roll up, and also basically how effective they are. I can get this whole use of this trailer with these straps. Generally on my other trailers it has literally one right here, and then I'm adding 2 more right here. So I'll show you how easy these are to use. Literally, you slide this thing to where you want it, pull that lever, pull this, give yourself some slack. I go on the inside of this rub rail right here. Reason why, if you go on the outside, if you're able to turn and hit something, or a car side swaps you, you're gonna cut your straps. Literally throw it over, come around on the other side, hook your straps, literally pull the slack out. You're good to go. Put your combination bar in. Literally, that's it. That's what makes these sliding 4-inch ratchets so good. And this is literally how fast these things roll up. You can see, put it through. It's a 30-foot strap. And there you go. Literally that fast. These will hold a 30-foot roll
Most of the 2 inches that you see are 27 foot. I know that 3 foot doesn't sound like much, but I literally ran into an issue the other day to where 27 foot straps did not work. But anyways, guys, just wanted to make a video on these sliding 4-inch ratchets and the reason why I love them. Like I said, I just got this trailer. First thing I did, I have a couple more things coming from MYTEE Products too. The reason why I use them is because I've been using them since day one. Me preferably, I don't do cheap. I do cost effective, good products. So that's the reason why I use these